Hello everyone. Today we are starting with question number 3 of exercise 11.5. In this question we have pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket next to each equation. Here some values are there. This is the values of the variable. Which is the variable in this equation? M. Now here value of m is given in the bracket. Now what we have to do, we have to show that which one out of this is the solution of the given equation, and then show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. That means we have to show also like why other values are not the solution of the given equation. So let us start with A part. In A part we have 5m is equals to 60, and in the bracket first we have 10. So on the left hand side we will put the value on the value of m, and if the value matches with the right hand side, then we can say that this is the solution of the given equation. This is left hand side and this is the right hand side. Now so 5m, here we will put the value. So here 5m, in place of m we will put 10. So m is equals to 10 here. 5m means 5 into m. So 5 into 10 is 50, which doesn't satisfy the value on the right hand side, which is not equal to 60. So that means this is not the solution of the given equation. Now let us check with this number. So 5m is equals to, so 5 into 5, which is 25, and 25 also, this is not equal to sign. 25 is also not equal to right hand side, which is 60. Now next we have in the bracket 12. So we will put 12 in place of m. So every time we are putting on the left hand side, and then we are matching with the right hand side. So here 5 into 12 is 60, which is equals to right hand side. So we can say that this is the solution of the given equation. That means here m is equals to 12. M is equals to 12 is the solution of the given equation. Now let us check with 15. Here also 5 into 5m is equals to 5 into 15, which is 75, and 75 is not equal to 60. So this is not the solution of the given equation. So therefore m is equals to 12 is the solution of the given equation. Now this is A part. Now in the B part we have n plus 12 is equals to 20. So here the question is n plus 12 is equals to 20. Here value of the variable is given. Here variable is n. So value of n is given. So we will have to check whether which one is the solution of the given equation. So here first one is 12. So this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So left hand side n plus, you can write this way also, like we will mention which one is left hand side here. So here n plus 12, and here the value of n is given, which is 12. So 12 plus 12, which is 24, and 24 is not equal to 20, or right hand side 20 is there. That means it is, since it is not equal, so we will write therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So that means this is not the solution. This is number 1. Now number 2, again we will just mention left hand side n plus 12, and here the value of n is 8 here. So we will just put 8 in place of n. So 8 plus 12 is 20, and right hand side 20 is there. That means it satisfies the equation, because 20 is equals to 20 only. So here 20 is there. This is right hand side. So this is 20. So we will write left hand side is equals to right hand side. So that means 12 is the solution of the 8 is the solution of the given equation. Now in the next one we have 20. So we will put 20 on the left hand side. So here left hand side is equals to n plus 12. So 20 value of n is 20 here. So 20 plus 12 is 32, and which is not equal to right hand side because on the right hand side we have 20. So we will write left hand side is not equal to right hand side, and if this is so, that means this is not the solution of the given equation. And in the last option we have 0. So let us put 0 here. So on the left hand side again we will put n plus 12, and in place of n we will put 0. So 0 plus 12 is 12, and on the right hand side we have 20. That means this is not equal. So we will write left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So here we have seen that only like 8 is the solution of the given equation. So here it will be 8. So we will write 8 is the solution of the given equation. Now in the C part we have P minus 5 is equals to 5, and in the first option we have 0. So this is left hand side. So we'll write left hand side P minus 5, and in the first option we have 0 in place of P. So 0 minus 5 is minus 5, and on the right hand side we have 5, which is not equal. So we will write left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Now in the next option again we will write left hand side P minus 5. In the next option we have 10. So in place of P we will put 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, and on the right hand side we have 5. So 5 is there on the right hand side. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. So here the solution is 10. So if you put 10 in place of P, then only it satisfies the equation. So 10 is the solution of the given equation. Now let us check with the next option, which is again we will write left hand side, which is P minus 5, and then in the next option we have 5 in place of P. So 5 minus 5 is 0, and on the right hand side we have P. On the right hand side we have 5. So we will write left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Now in the next option we have, again we will write left hand side P minus 5, and in the next option we have minus 5. So we will put in place of P. So minus 5 minus 5 will be minus 10, as minus minus plus, but the sign will be negative. So here, and on the right hand side we have 5, so which is not equal. So we will write left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So what we have seen that here this is the solution of the given equation. So we will write 10 is the solution of the given equation. Now in the D part we have q minus 2, q by 2 is equals to 7. And in the first option we have 7. So here on the left hand side q by 2 is there. So we'll put q by 2, and in place of q we will write 7 because 7 is there in the bracket. So 7 by 2. Now if you divide this, 3 2s are 6, 0.25s are 10. So we have got 3.5. And on the right hand side, we have 7, which is not equal. So we will write left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Now in the next option we have 2 is there. So again on the left hand side we'll put key by 2, and q in place of q we will put 2, because in the next option we have 2. Now 2 by 2 is 1, and on the right hand side we have 7. Again this is not the solution of the given equation, because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. And in the last option we have in 3 part we have 10. So q by 2 again on the left hand side, and in place of q we'll put 10. So 10 by 2 is 5, and on the right hand side we have 7. So that means it doesn't satisfy the given equation, because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. And in the last option we have, again on the this is on the left hand side, and we have 14. So 14 in place of q. So 14 by 2 is 7, and we satisfy the given equation because on the right hand side we have 7. So here left hand side is equals to right hand side. That means 14 is the solution of the given equation. So that means we have to check the value which is given on the left hand side, means after solving on the left hand part, if it satisfy the value on the right hand part, if it satisfy the value on the right hand part, or we can say that if the value matches, then we can say that this is the solution of the given equation. Otherwise it is not the solution of the given equation. Now in the E part we have r minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is on the left hand side, and this is left hand side, and this is right hand side. So left hand side will write r minus 4, and in the first option we have 4 in place of r, because this is the variable and value of the variable only it's given in the bracket. So we'll write 4. 4 minus 4 is 0, and which is equals to right hand side. So that means it's equals to right hand side. Okay, this is 1. Now in the next one, again on the left hand side we have r minus 4, and in the next option we have minus 4. So minus 4 is minus 8, and which is not equal to right hand side, because on the right hand side we have 0. Okay, now in the next one we have, the next option we have 8. So 8 minus 4 is 8, we are putting in place of r. So 8 minus 4 is 4, which is also not matches with the value on the right hand side. So we'll write not equal to right hand side. And in the last option we have, again we'll write left hand side, and in the last option we have, so we'll put 0 here. So 0 minus 4 is minus 4, and on the right hand side we have 0 here. So that means this is not the value on the right hand side. So it is, we'll write left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So that means what we have seen here, only this is this matches with the left hand side. That means value of r will be 4 here. So therefore the value of r is 4. Now the last part of this question, which is F part, and the equation is x plus 4 is equals to 2. This is the left hand part and this is the right hand part. So again we will mention on the left hand side x plus 4, and in the first option we have minus 2 in place of x, because whatever is there in the bracket, that is the value of the variable, and here variable is x. So in place of x we will put 2. So minus 2 plus 4 means 2, because plus minus minus, so 4 minus 2, 2, and the sign of the greater value means 4 is greater than 2, and sign of 4 is positive, so it will be positive here, and this matches with the value on the right hand side, so that means this left hand side is equals to right hand side. So that means in this equation minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. This is 1. Now in the next option we have 0. So this is left hand side. X plus 4 is there, and in place of x we'll put 0. If you put 0 here, then we'll get 4, and on the right hand side 2 is there. So we'll write left hand side is not equal to right hand side. As on the right hand side we have 2, and here we have got 4. So in the next option we have, again we will mention x plus 4 on the left hand side, and then we have 2. So in place of x, so 2 plus 4 is 6, and on the right hand side we have 2. So that means 6 is not equal to 2. So we will write left hand side is not equal to right hand side. And in the last option we have 4. Write the left hand side is x plus 4, and in this option we have 4 in place of x. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and on the right hand side we have 2. So that means it is not equal to right hand side. Left hand side, here on the right hand side we have 2. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So we will write this. So that means what we have seen here, that this is also not the solution of the given equation. This also. Only in the first one we have seen that this is the solution of the given equation. That means the value of minus 2, the value of x will be minus 2. So here we will write the value of x will be minus 2. So this is question number 3. Thank you, students.